friends, welcome back to Whiskey and Whit. I'm Whitney, and today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree shop with me and haul for Christmas 2019 at the Dollar Tree, so stay tuned. Well, it has been a lot longer than a hot second. I was gonna say it's been a hot second since I've made videos, but to be completely honest, this pregnancy thing is just a lot to handle. Working full-time, having a channel, so I've just taken some time for myself. I know you guys understand that I read all the messages that you send, but found some great stuff at the Dollar Tree, so I had to come on here and share with you. Preface that I give in front of all my Dollar Tree videos, these are multiple Dollar Trees. I have a few around my work, a few around my house, so I've went to multiple Dollar Trees, same with the clips at the end, but I just gather it as I go and then I share it in a video with you guys. So just FYI, this is not all from one Dollar Tree. It's probably 3, 4, something like that, so not one. All right, so kicking it off, right in the front, they had all of their ornaments up. And so a lot of the ornaments are similar to years past, so I didn't jump on them as much as I have. But I did have these last year, these little Christmas tree trucks. And these are awesome to put in garlands for different DIYs. So I grabbed 2 packs of these so that I had them because I used all of them in garland last year. And I will link the video where I added them to the garland, the DIY up above, in case you end up decorating for Christmas before I do, because Lord knows I'm moving a little slower these days, but I'll share that up above so you can check that out. Keeping with the ornaments, I grabbed some buffalo check ones. I've got multiple trees, smaller ones throughout my house, and so I have a buffalo plaid tree that we do up on our little, like, I don't know, it's like a little shelf by our stairs. And so I grabbed a few of these to kind of fill out that tree. I probably will replace like this stuff and maybe just add some ribbon here, like this greenery. It's that pokey greenery. A cute little like burlap ribbon around the outside and that jute twine. It's super cute for $1. And these things are pretty substantial, so these would also be really good in garland. You can add these to like your banister. If you've got garland on there, or you could just add some ribbon. So there's a lot of stuff you can do with these, and these are super cute and really good quality. I also grabbed 3 packs of these DIY ornaments. I did 2 trees and 1 snowflake, obviously for some DIYs. Now I grabbed the Halloween and fall versions of these and did a really cute garland. So you could definitely do that now while these guys are out. You could paint them, create a really pretty garland. So I will link that Halloween video up above. Also, if you're looking for last minute Halloween, that stuff is up above. But these I just painted and put into like a burlap DIY garland, which turned out really good. But I grabbed these. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that again or what I'm going to do, but I grabbed packs of these because these went really fast. So if you see these in the store and want to do a DIY, grab them because they're going to go really fast. Something I have never seen before at the Dollar Tree, and I was so excited to see, were these little arrangements. So they've got the burlap fabric at the bottom. There's some greenery, and then I'll do it up close. They've got some red berries, greenery, some different kinds of greenery, and then also a cotton stem. And so I thought these would be awesome. You could put them in mugs, you could put them in little potters, you could just put them out like in a set of 3. You could group the 3 together to give yourself a bigger kind of collection of them, if you will. And then you could also put this in something. So there's a lot of different options. I might go back and grab a few more of these, but these for $1 are awesome staples to kind of fill out vignettes. And they look super cute. This is something that I feel like you would get at a Hobby Lobby or somewhere else, definitely not just $1. So they're called potted poinsettia, however you say that. I turned the light on in the back. It was looking a little dark. It's like daylight savings time almost, but it's like not, and it's dark. So turn the light on. Now we're ready to go. So what I was saying is these are hidden. Well, at least they were in my store. So you're going to want to look underneath where all of that kind of floral is on the front wall where they put it next to the signs. And it's underneath. They had some ribbon down there, but they also had these in boxes kind of shoved in the back. So I had to dig for these. So definitely keep your eyes peeled, look high and low. That's how you're usually able to find some good Dollar Tree scores. Forgot 1 set of ornaments, so I grabbed 4 of these cute little camper ornaments. They are plastic and they are full of glitter, so you're gonna have to do the hairspray trick on them. But one of my trees, like I mentioned before, is like vintage trucks, and I've got different RVs, so this camper will go perfect with it. So I got 4 of those to fill out the tree, and for 50 cents you definitely can't beat that. And also, if you've got kids, these are nice because they are plastic, so if they get knocked off and fall on the floor, pets, anything like that, you're not gonna like have put money into glass, or you've got glass all over the floor. So these are nice because they are cheap, they're super cute, and they'll definitely go with the theme that I'm looking for. Last year, I was obsessed with how I was able to take some of these really cute scarves. I did this and the red and black buffalo check and put them into some Dollar Tree garland and also just some lit garland that I had gotten from Walmart. It really helped make it feel a lot more cozy. It filled out a lot of the bare spots and some of that lighted garland I've had for years. And so I grabbed a couple of these, so I had them. You could also do the same thing. If you can't find these at Dollar Tree, you could just buy a sheet of fleece from Joann's. I was able to find the buffalo check stuff that everyone is dying over, so I will have some footage of everything else that they had later on. When I had gotten there, they told me that they had placemats to match this, and the lady in front of me bought them all. Well, good for her, because I might have been that person to somebody else. But I grabbed these mitts. They had about 3 or 4 different sayings, but I grabbed 2 that say, "This is the most wonderful time of the year," or "It's the most wonderful time of the year." I can't talk. These are so versatile. So 1, easy enough, you can use them as decor. 2, you could use them as an oven mitt. But what I like to do is, this is a super cute, like really easy gift. You can throw in a packet of that Betty Crocker like cookie mix. Get one of those really cute spatulas, tie it up. This is a great hostess gift. And for $1, these are super cute. Dollar General also has some really, really adorable ones. So you can find ones that match the aesthetic of the people's houses that you're going to. Also for hostess gifts for Thanksgiving. It's great to take something like this for Christmas, because if you take them something Thanksgiving and you're at their house on Thanksgiving, when are they going to use that next year? But if you take them something, or if you're going to a Halloween party, think like on to Thanksgiving if you want to stick with the fall theme. But this is great to give them at the end of November, so then that way they can use it throughout the Christmas season and not have to just put it away right away. They have a ton of cute gift bags this year. I was trying to restrain myself, but I will probably go back and get some more. I'm also on the hunt for the Christmas vacation paper. I used up all mine last year and I love it. It's so cute. I saw in a couple pictures on Instagram that they have it again, just in a different format, so I will have to grab some of that. You guys know how much I love Christmas vacation. But the one I did grab was this bag, and it says, "With friends put the Merry in Christmas." It's really cute. It's got these little snowmen, little green hat, red hat. I like this plaid up here at the top, and I'm probably going to use this for a DIY rather than packaging gifts, because I have way too many gift bags, but I thought this was really cute. And also, if you're able to find snowman things that talk about winter around Christmas, grab them, because if this didn't say Christmas and you made a DIY with it, you could leave it up throughout February, and I'm all for triple, double, however many times you can reuse stuff duty, because then you don't have to store it and you save money that way. So win, win, win. And then finally, I found a ton of red truck stuff. You guys know how I feel about that. I love every time I log onto my Instagram and I have more and more people sending me red truck stuff, red trucks with little black dogs in the back. If you haven't seen my decor tour from last year, I will link that as well. Because we have a little black lab mixed rescue named Sebastian, if you're new here, I just kind of go a little nuts with that. So we'll have to probably transition a little bit with the baby, because he won't be the only baby, but for now we'll stick with that. So first thing I grabbed for the truck theme was this mug, and I really just thought it was really cute. The truck has these little lights on it. It's got a wreath in the front, a little sign that says North Pole. It has like a little bag of candy in there that I'll probably just, I'll just remove that. But this will be really cute if you put candy canes in it on a cocoa bar, because it's a longer mug, which I really like. And also, it's nice because you could put like straws in there. It fits well in a tiered tray because it's not too thick at the bottom. So for $1, this is going to be more decor than anything. But this also matches the red truck plates from last year. I'm thinking based on as much red truck stuff as I saw at the store, they're going to come back with those, but those were really hard to find. So also, if you find those, grab them quick, because you guys know at the Dollar Tree, if you don't buy it, you go back even the next day and it's all gone. Also, with that same truck for the North Pole, I got some of these tins. I love having these because they make great decor, but they're also good to throw gifts in easily. If you've got like weird shaped gifts, you just do this, tie it up with some really pretty ribbon, and you don't have to worry about the paper. So I know one year I used one of these and put a watch in it for Alex. And it really is nice to just kind of use these as gift boxes, and then I mean, you can reuse them year after year. Also, they're nice to have on hand if you're going to a last minute party and you need to bring some sort of hostess gift. Like, you could put some tissue in there, get some candies from the store, don't tell anybody, toss them in there, you know, cookies. I mean, you'll know what you buy at the store, but if they look kind of homemade, like, throw them in there and call it a day. I'm all for looking like you tried hard. And then I also grabbed a round one of the same print. So these are really cute because they've got kind of two different motifs, but they go together. So on the front here, we've got the truck and the trees and the snowman. And then on the edges, there are these little RVs. And so it seems like as a whole, a lot of the same themes that we saw last year, buffalo check, a lot of these like little retro campers, the trucks, things like that are going to be back in again, which is awesome because when you go year to year and stuff changes and you try to stay with the trends and you just can't keep up. So honestly, I will probably do the red truck in buffalo check anyway, even if it's not in style, but it does help when stuff continues to be in style year after year. And then also it helps you because you can buy stuff on clearance after Christmas and save some money. And finally, I saved my favorite thing I found for last. I got two of these plastic containers. They've got the truck, the snowman, they say Merry Christmas on them, and these are for cookies, but they're pretty big, like compared to my head. They're pretty big, and then they just have like a snap-off lid here, but the closure seems to be like pretty good. It snaps on, which some of the Dollar Tree stuff is like not super great with snap-on lids, so I checked that in the store. But I thought there's so many other different things that you could do with this if you don't want it to hold cookies. So you could have this be kind of your corral for your kids' Christmas DIYs if you do that with them. This would also be great to save your Christmas cards year after year. I love to save them. So then early in the season, I can kind of fill out my holder, especially because we decorate so early. I like to put some from the year before, and then once you get the new card from whoever's family, you can go ahead and pull that down and swap them out. But then you kind of have a full thing, you know, throughout the year, so you can save that in there. This would also be good for like your paints and stuff. So to grab some of these, even though they're Christmas themed, like they're really good to stack and things like that. Vinyl scraps would be awesome in here too, if you have a Cricut. So there's a lot of different things you can do with this beyond just putting cookies in there. So these containers were right up front by the trays that they always have, like plastic and metal trays. So they had a couple other different prints as well. But these, I think, were a really good find. Probably going to save one for cookies and then probably keep the other one for some DIY storage. But these are super cute for $1 and I was so excited to find them. Alright, so that is everything that I have picked up recently for Christmas 2019 at the Dollar Tree. Now, come along with me. I'd love to share some of the other great stuff that I didn't end up buying with you so you kind of know what's out there. let me know in the comments down below, either from the haul or the shop with me portion, what is your favorite item? Or what's been your biggest score this season? Or if you're still on the hunt, what are you looking for? For me, I would love to find some more red and black scarves to go with my black and white scarves so that I could do some more DIYs this year. So let me know in the comments down below. I love hearing from you guys. And also if you haven't found stuff, fingers crossed, because I'm always hoping that you guys can find the things that I did. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit subscribe down below so you don't miss a future Whiskey and Wit video, including some pregnancy updates that are coming because they are long overdue. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!